Okay. And anything else?
And also I've got pain in the lower spine here.
In the middle of the spine?
Right in the middle on the bone.
Okay, on the bone, okay. Right now, how much do you feel on the spine?
Like when I'm sitting, nothing.
When you're sitting, nothing? Okay, what kind of movement do you need to do for the spine?
Bending.
Bending?
That's right.
Okay, can you bend? Gentle.
I can. But
And do you stop when you feel it?
Yeah, well, I'm feeling it.
Okay, so don't push on. Okay, when you were bending like that, where exactly do you feel? Here?
Yeah.
Okay, how much from 0 to 10?
Probably about 5.
5.
With bending, yeah.
With bending, okay. Is it tender where I push?
Not very much.
Not very much. Here?
Not really.
Here?
A little bit more.
A little bit more.
Yeah.
Here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oops, I'm sorry. Don't want to hurt your, pull your hair. Okay. One needle here. Tender here?
A little, yeah.
A little bit. Tender here?
Yeah.
Okay. Tender here?
Less.
Less. Okay. So it's more here. Tender here?
Not so.
Not really?
A little bit, but
a little
not
bit.
yet.
Here?
On my right side, yeah.
This one?
No, that's my left.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, very good. Now, okay.
It's hard because I'm holding my arms up, but yeah, it's
Comparing to before I needle you, how intense is your pain in the back?
it's not intense.
It's not intense, so there's still something or it's completely gone?
I would say that it's completely gone.
Perfect, thank you.